Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 13, How to Use Your Subconscious Mind to Heal. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy reveals the healing power of the subconscious mind and how we can use it to improve our health. Dr. Murphy explains that the subconscious mind is directly connected to your physical body. When you think positive, healing thoughts, your body responds accordingly. But when you focus on illness or negativity, your body can manifest those as well. He shares a powerful visualization technique. Close your eyes and imagine your body full of health, energy, and vitality. Picture every cell in your body working perfectly with positive energy flowing through you. As you do this, repeat the affirmation, "My body is healthy. Every part of me is functioning perfectly." This mental exercise sends healing energy through your body, helping it to restore itself and achieve balance. Remember, your thoughts have the power to affect your body. By consciously focusing on health and well-being, you activate the natural, healing abilities within you. That wraps up Chapter 13. In the next chapter, we'll learn about how to overcome fear using the power of your subconscious mind. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't miss the next chapter of this transformative,